You can write the best songs in the world, but if no one knows you exist, none of it matters. Getting people to care about your music isn't about luck, it's about showing up and making real connections. You've sent emails to venues and never heard back. You've played open mics, hoping someone important would notice. You've posted song after song online, waiting for it to take off, but that's not how it works. Opportunities don't just show up, you make them happen. The fastest way to grow your audience, book gigs, and build industry connections is by getting involved in your local music scene. Once people in your city recognize your name, everything changes. More shows, more fans, and more momentum. We're diving into our 90-day local music scene growth plan to give you a step-by-step blueprint to go from unknown to in demand. Here's a look at how it works. Month 1, you want to be everywhere. Before you can book gigs, you need to have people know who you are. That means showing up, getting involved, and becoming part of the music scene. Go to at least 2 shows a week, not just to watch, but to meet people. Talk to artists and venue staff and regulars, not in a forced networking way, but just in real conversations. The more familiar your face is, the more people will take you seriously. And support other artists. Make a Spotify playlist featuring musicians from your city, or post about local shows and tag the artist. Whenever people see you engaging with the scene, they'll start to notice you too. Month 2, you want your goal to be to get on stage. Once people know your name, it's time to start booking gigs. Venues are more likely to book someone that they've seen supporting other artists because you're no longer just an outsider asking for a slot. You're part of the community. DM at least 3 venues a week, keep it short, professional, and if they're not booking new acts, ask about open mics or opening slots. If you're struggling to get booked, find another way in. Offer to help promote a show in exchange for a short performance slot. Venue always need good promo, and this is an easy way to get your foot in the door. Or you can skip the venue altogether and set up a DIY show with other local artists. Coffee shops, record stores, small art spaces, things like that are great places to host your own event. Just make sure you're getting on stage and getting seen somewhere. Month number 3, you're going to want to turn that buzz into growth. Once people are coming to your shows, it's time to build on that momentum. Start selling merch at gigs, even if it's just stickers or shirts, and have something physical that helps people remember you. Reach out to local blogs and indie radio stations and music podcasts. Even a small feature helps build credibility, and join or create a music collective. Working with other artists makes it easier to book gigs, cross-promote, and grow your audience. What's the full plan? This is just the surface. The 90-day local music scene growth plan lays out exactly what you need to do with daily action steps so you always know what to do next, proven strategies for booking gigs, getting press, growing your fan base, and bonus templates for pitching venues, contacting blogs, and engaging with fans. You can sit around waiting for something to happen, or you can start making moves now. Download the full guide today, link is in the description, and like and share if this video helped you out. Talk soon, friends.